In this video, we are going to be looking at how to develop OpenAI content, text, image, video, chat, voice, and code generators as SaaS. So, example of this kind of script is MagicAI. Please kindly use the affiliate link in the description to purchase this code, to purchase this script. Let's look at some of the features. Taking AI to height. New plan management. AI persona. AI text to video. All these are some of the features. After purchasing a script, kindly go to your cPanel. From the cPanel, we go to our file manager. For my file manager, I will go to the subdomain I'll be using for this testing purposes, which is this new test. I have already uploaded my script. Next, I'm going to extract it. Extract files. Then next, I'm going to close this. This is the extracted folder. Let me open it. Then I select all. I will move them to the root folder. Move files. So next I click on back. Now let me copy my subdomain name. I'm opening a new tab, pasting it there, then enter. So next I will click on next. All assets, I click on next again. So my app name, let me say MagicAI. MagicAI. Then I click on set up the database. Now I will go to my cPanel to create my database so that I can fill up this place. So I'm going back to my cPanel. This time I'm going to my databases. Here is it. Manage my databases. So let me name this as MagicAI DB. MagicAI DB. Okay. I click on create database. Database successfully created. I click on go back. After creating my database, next I'll go to user. Let me scroll down to create the user. So let me name my user as this. Then I click on create user. User successfully created. So next I click on go back again. I close this. Now I'm going to add my user to my database. I will make sure I select the ones I just created, which is this MagicAI DB user. MagicAI DB. MagicAI DB. Oh, here is it. Then I click on add. Now I give up privileges to the user. Scroll down to make changes. Success. So now let me copy the username. My video name, my username. So let me edit this. This is my DB name. Then I click on install. So now I close this. Let me install down. Now installation completed. I've successfully installed it. So let me just click on explore MagicAI. I have successfully installed my script, as you can see. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and to install your script kindly use the IRM link in the description to help me install your script. Thank you.